Hello,
Hey,
YouTube.
what's up, guys?
Welcome to the video. My name, on the roof of my card, it's you can see it right there. Today I will go into the Auric Castle, and I hope
Yeah,
yes. I think I can do it, and I hope I get loot.
and my name is I have already told you. My name is Firekeeper
Yeah, right
or
there.
Firekeeper.
You know.
It don't matter what you
Yeah,
call
right
me.
there.
But
My mouse will do them. All right.
we will
I want to go with the
search for
Oryx,
this
and I
castle
go.
now, and it's gonna be fun. We
I
think it's gonna be fun.
we
Maybe
hope.
we're gonna go to Nexus if we are dying, so we don't want to miss our enemies today. So let's freaking fucking kill some asses. Oh shit.
We hope so, right? Let's see. Okay.
Uh, Pizza, are you in the garden now?
I'm in the gun right now.
I'm in now.
I'm go to the
Where are you?
Stone
Where are you?
Guardian at
Um,
yeah,
I'm also, yeah, I found you.
I am into the Stone Guardian
I'm
right
you.
now. I am into the Stone
Kill
Guardian.
them.
I should fucking kill you, stupid Stone Guardian.
Assholes, bitches.
I will use my wand of
I
deep
get
sorcery. I don't know why.
Oh, come on. Get a deep butt. I don't need it. I drop it. Okay. Maybe another one. If I get also one again, I
Yeah,
give it to
yeah,
someone. I'm in Oryx Chamber.
me too.
I think I'm coming before you. And kill Oryx!
What
Die!
a
I
so
gotta
many
crush your
speed. I
fucking
doesn't
skull,
like it.
Oryx.
I
You
should
gotta
use my
die.
phone right now. Yeah. There we go. I have a fucking crystal. Don't
Yeah,
you?
I have a fucking fool.
I
That
fucking kill your Oryx, man.
there are two
You're
places that have
fucking creepy.
towns that have a blue dragon. Ouch! Oh, he gives go. No!
Oh, Quas. I hate it.
I must have got. I get to Nexus.
Seriously?
Yeah, I
I
hate.
think I also do that
Now
at 3 seconds,
now I think I will play my priest.
Okay, there you go. I should drink
Oh,
the magical potion. Ah!
what's so
God damn it.
mm,
I missed my fucking magical
I'll
potion.
go.
Yeah! Oryx death. I doesn't have get show. I need loot.
You don't get anything.
Ah, yeah. Hey, shut up. That is not funny.
That's so fun.
Shut up.
Open your fucking will, man.
Come
Open,
on with a VC. I
open
need a
will.
VC. Oh, they're throwing new stuff here.
Are there
Alright.
someone that open BC?
No, not VC. No,
Fuck
yeah,
that.
VC.
Yeah, we see.
I should rushing right
What's
now.
the nine cat?
Nyan Cat, who the fuck? Nyan Cat, bad name.
What is
I
that?
hate Nyan Cat. He's so
Uh,
creepy. He's
uh,
annoying. No.
just
Drunk. I hate. Okay. Rushing. Do Russia out of here.
now he's watching that.
Now I'm rushing that one.
Ah,
Oops.
you gotta die, bitches. Oh, wait. It was. Oh, I
Okay,
think there are
Oryx
some
right now.
hey, Tom and
I
now.
use my fucking
Come
tomb.
on, someone open.
Come on, Oryx, you should die. You are Oryx too, I know. You should you should still die. Yeah, that was fucking fast, man.
Get you
Nothing
something.
dude again. Someone get fouled, Elder Hebo. Ugh.
Get you something.
Annoyingness. No.
Uh,
Annoyingness. Alright.
mm.
Bye bye YouTube. See you.
Yeah, we see.
Bye.